I'm Jonathan Martin, and welcome to Ceterus Assembly, your one-stop shop for client and accountant management at the CPA firm level. In one place, view all the transactions that have been classified throughout the month, easily navigate the transactions that still require the attention of your accountants, and also track the percentages of the books closed, month in, month out, and know exactly where all of your clients stand, client by client. You can easily see exactly what day the books are closed. If they're not closed, why? We surface the very high level and detailed level tasks that are incomplete or have been completed for that particular client. Impersonate the client and actually view the financials before the client even has a chance to look at them. From an accountant management perspective, not only can your clients be seen through the view of your staff accountants, meaning you can manage all of the clients that your staff accountants are responsible for, but you can also consolidate all the transactions that require attention by your staff accountants in one place. Gone are the days of having to jump in and out of each QBO file, but now you have a consolidated view of every single client that your accountants are required to code transactions for and allocate to the general ledger. So reach out today and let's get you on Ceterus Assembly. Thanks.